Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Mexican pizza in the air fryer. Stay tuned and let's go check it out. So we're going to use some flour tortillas. I'm using the soft taco kind. I'm going to use some hamburger, some refried beans, some olives, and a tomato, some taco seasoning, some Mexican blend cheese, and green onions. And oh my gosh, I almost forgot, we need some enchilada sauce. All right, let's get busy. So I just cooked up the meat and drained out all the fat, and I'm literally just following the directions on the taco seasoning package, which is just dump it in there with about 3/4 cup of water, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, so while the meat is over there doing its thing, I thought I would go ahead and get started on the shells. So literally, I'm just taking 2 of the shells, and I'm going to go ahead and give them a good spritz of oil on each side. And then if you don't have a spritzer, it's fine. You can just go ahead and just dump some oil on there and spread it around. Okay, now they're ready to go into the air fryer. So I'm just going to put them directly on the rack. I don't need any parchment paper or anything like that. And we're just going to go ahead and slip those right on in and put them in the air fryer at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. And we're going to flip them like halfway through and change the racks around because the top one always seems to cook a little bit quicker than the other one. So we'll just kind of keep an eye on everything. But it took me about 5 minutes to do them all. And voila, we have a pretty tortilla. So we're going to go ahead and start topping everything. So we're going to put our refried beans in there. Now, I did stick mine in the microwave for about a minute because it makes it a whole lot easier to spread. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding in our meat. So you don't have to use meat or turkey meat or anything like that. If you just like beans, you're more than welcome because it tastes absolutely delicious that way as well. And I'm going to go ahead and grab our other shell and put that on the very, very top. And look how nice and crunchy that looks. It's so pretty and brown. I love it. It turned out really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in our enchilada sauce. Now, I don't like a whole lot of enchilada sauce because the flavors are a little bit bold for me, but go ahead and dump as much on there as you want. I'm just trying to be mindful so it doesn't fall off the sides or anything like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some tomatoes and put that on there. And I love tomatoes. I like them. Anyway, I don't care. And I'm going to go ahead and put some olives on there. Now, I know Taco Bell doesn't put olives, but whatever. I like olives on my Mexican pizza. And some green onions. And we cannot forget the cheese. Now, can't go wrong with cheese. The more the merrier for me. I love cheese. And we're going to go ahead and take this and throw it in the air fryer for about 5 more minutes until the cheese is all melted. Oh my goodness, look at there. Just like that, we made a Mexican pizza. So, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I can't wait to dive into it. But first, I need to add a couple little toppings to it. I love fresh tomatoes on top of everything. All of my Mexican food always has fresh tomatoes on top of it. And yeah, it just makes it, I don't know, just gives it that nice little flavor. So also had some green onions left over. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on because, well, you know, first of all, it tastes good and they're so super pretty. And also the olives, I had some leftover olives, so I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and put those on because might as well make it look even prettier, right? So I also am going to put some sour cream because I really like sour cream. Now, you guys, this is all optional. You can put whatever you want to on top of yours, or you can just eat it straight out of the oven. So, I mean, as soon as it came out of the air fryer, it was delicious just as is. So anyway, this is just what I like to do. So at this point in the video, I am going to be taking a big bite. I want to warn you because it just recently came to my attention that sometimes eating is a little bit offensive to people. So I thought I would at least give you a warning, but you can trust me, it does taste delicious. Okay, so I am going to, listen to that crunch. What an ooey gooey mess. Love it. Okay, I warned you. Look at there. See all those layers? The meat, the cheese, the beans. All right, I'm going. Last chance. Tastes so good. It is delicious. I will be completely devouring this. Look, oh my god, that was a big bite. Okay, I am going to go finish this off, and thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to be doing some taquitos tomorrow. Okay, so we have Cinco de Mayo coming up, and I am going to be doing some Mexican recipes that we can do in the air fryer. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw, and yeah, see you soon, guys.